Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. You need to begin by opening Calendar app. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. After that, tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner instead. Then choose Event from the list. Now you can manage it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Then click on Events, pick one of those sections, in my case Events, or select one of your email addresses if you have more than one. Over here you can pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this switcher next to all day to disable this feature completely. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, just click on Does Not Repeat. You can also select Custom and adjust this option however you wish to. Then click on Done. After that, you can scroll down, choose People, Videos, and even Add Location. In this pop-up, click on the best option for you, type in an address, and click on the correct result. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. You can even choose Custom and manage it. Select color, take some notes, and add attachments. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always make some changes by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now change whatever you wish to and hit Save again. You can also get rid of your event by clicking on it, but this time choosing those three dots at the top right corner, selecting Delete at the top, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!